Hello students, standard 8th English medium, subject computer. So children, we are lesson number 2, working with windows. So in last lesson we learned regarding open multiple windows, right? Now we will see next topic, page number 32, make a window active, right children? So how to make our window active? So there are 3 open windows on the desktop. Okay, now first of all we will open the free libraries, documents window, then pictures library, and this is music library. Okay, now you can see children, here 3 windows are there, okay, which are open now. Now here, which is the active window? So here we can say children that music window is active now. Okay, you can see here music window is active now, and documents and pictures windows are inactive windows, we can say. Okay, now first step is use the title bar to drag and move the windows as shown here. Okay, now you can see the picture on page number 33 children. Okay, now when we make the window active, we have to click on its title bar. The window will now appear in front of the screen and other window will go behind. Okay, for example, here at a time music window is active. Okay children, we can see this music window is active now, right? Now if we want to make pictures window active, then what we have to do? We have to click on the title bar of pictures window in this way. Now you can see picture window is active. Okay, now if you want to make documents window active, then you have to click on the title bar of the documents window. Now you can see, now document window is active. Okay children, so in this way you can make any window active, whatever you want. Okay, right? So here in this way you can make windows active. Okay, now when you click on this Windows Explorer button here, you can see this is Windows Explorer button children. When you click, when you place a mouse pointer over it, now you can see these are the 3 windows open, right? Documents window, pictures window, and music window, that you can see. Now which window is active? This is highlighted. Documents window is highlighted now, so we can say documents window is active. Okay, and pictures and music window is inactive. Okay, they are not highlighted. You can see children, documents window is highlighted, right? So this is active window, and picture is not highlighted, this is inactive. Music window is not highlighted, so this is also inactive. So which is active? Documents window is active, right? So in this way you can make any window active. Now children, we will see next topic, that is minimize, restore down, maximize and up and close a window. Okay children, now we will see this topic. Okay, first there are three open windows on the desktop that we can see. Which three windows are there? Documents, then here this is documents window, this is pictures window, and this is music window. Okay, so these three are the open windows, right children? You can see. Now we will see here that first of all we will see maximize button. Okay, so first of all, which is the active window? So now we can say music is active window now. Okay, this is active window. Now on the title bar of music window, click on minimize button. So this is the title bar of music window, right children? Now where is minimize button? So this is minimize button, you can say. Okay, see here, this is minimize button, right? So here you have to click on minimize button, so we can see the music library music window disappears from the desktop. Okay, we can't see now music window because it's minimized. Okay, this window is minimized. ठीक है, आप देख सकते हो डेस्कटॉप पे अब म्यूजिक विंडो नहीं है. वाई? बिकॉज हमने उसको मिनिमाइज कर दिया है, राइट चिल्ड्रन? नाउ यू कैन सी ओनली टू विंडोज ऑन द डेस्कटॉप. विच वन? फर्स्ट इज डॉक्यूमेंट्स लाइब्रेरी एंड सेकेंड इज पिक्चर्स लाइब्रेरी. ओके, दिस इज पिक्चर्स विंडो and this is documents window. Only two window is open now. Okay children, so when we minimize any window, it will disappear from the desktop. Okay, this is called minimizing the window, right children? Okay, now on the taskbar, so this is taskbar children. Okay, so on the taskbar, place the mouse pointer over Windows Explorer. This is Windows Explorer. Okay, you will see smaller window appears as the active window, right children? Okay, now you can see. So here these are the smaller windows, right? Okay, now which one is active? Pictures window is active now. It is highlighted. You can see children. ठीक है, pictures highlight हुआ है. Okay, pictures window. So this is active window. Okay. Now to make music window active again, just click on smaller window, right? Now you have to click on this music window. Okay, so click on this music window. Now you can see music window is on the desktop. Okay, right? So in this way you can make music window active again, right? Now click on the title bar of pictures window to make it active. Okay, so this is pictures library. Okay, now pictures window is active. Okay, and music window go in the background, right children? Now on the title bar of pictures window, you have to click on maximize button to make the window bigger. When you click on this maximize button children, you can see this is maximize button. Just click on this maximize button. You can see pictures window is now become bigger. Okay. जो पिक्चर्स विंडो था पहले स्मॉल था, अब क्या हो गया है, मैक्सिमाइज. ओके, सो इट बिकम्स बिगर, राइट. सो now you can see this maximize button that is convert into the restore down, right children. जो पहले मैक्सिमाइज बटन था अब वो क्या हो गया है, रिस्टोर डाउन. ओके, दिस मैक्सिमाइज बटन चेंजेस इनटू रिस्टोर डाउन बटन. चिल्ड्रन यू कैन सी दिस इज रिस्टोर डाउन. ओके, now when you click on restore down button, now you can see again your pictures window becomes smaller, right. You can see the pictures window is smaller now. Okay, and now again this restore down button changes to maximize. जैसे आप maximize पे क्लिक करोगे तो विंडो बिग हो जाएगा और बटन रिस्टोर डाउन में चेंज हो जाएगा. रिस्टोर डाउन पे क्लिक करोगे तो बटन मैक्सिमाइज में चेंज हो जाएगा और विंडो क्या होगा, स्मॉल हो जाएगा, राइट चिल्ड्रन. ओके, नाउ ऑन द टाइटल बार ऑफ एनी विंडो you have to click on close button to close the window, right. So when you click on this close button, here this is close button, right children. When you click on close button, the window will be closed. देखो ठीक है, pictures window close हो गया. When you click on music, close button of music window, तो music window भी close हो जाएगा. When you click on close button of documents window, then this window will be closed, right children. So in this way you can make your window small or big. Okay, that is called minimize or maximize, restore down and close a window, right children. Thank you.